Hello and welcome to SDC Verifier tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a plate backlink check using SDC Verifier and Ansys. In order to open SDC Verifier, please double-click on this button in Ansys Workbench. By doing so, Ansys Mechanical together with SDC Verifier window will be opened automatically. It should take somewhere in between 15 and 20 seconds. As you can see, Ansys Mechanical has been launched and SDC is opening right now. As you can see, SDC has written all the materials, properties and thumb loads from our Ansys model. We also have one job which represents the analysis type in Ansys. It consists of 5 individual loads, 4 load sets and 1 load group. Let's make sure our model is already calculated. Please go to the Home ribbon, click Analyze and select our job. As you can see, Ansys Mechanical is calculating our model in the background. In order to add a standard to our model, please go to the model tree and right-click on the standards button. You can also do the same from the standards ribbon. Just select the standard you want to execute. Here we need to input some parameters, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I will use the standard custom settings by clicking on this button. Let's click OK and OK once again. As you can see, a new message has appeared saying our plates are not recognized, which we were supposed to do before, but this is not an issue since we can do it right now. As you can see, Panel Finder window has appeared, and in order to recognize our plates, please click the Find button on the bottom of the window. All the sections were recognized in less than 2 seconds. And let's preview some of them. For example, I want to show only X section. Let's select all of them and click the preview button. As you can see, our plot is generated in Ansys Mechanical. Let's click OK. And here we have another notification saying one of our materials doesn't have yield stress. Let's click Yes to define it. Select our material and click Update from Ansys. As you can see, the properties were imported from our Ansys model, but you can also define them over here. Please click OK to continue. And at this point, everything should be defined. As you can see, a standard has been added to our model and it consists of 3 checks. In order to preview results from a check, please right-click on one of them and click Criteria Plot. Here a new window has appeared with some plot settings. Let's preview the overall backlink factor under the gravity loading. In order to generate a plot, please click this button and click on Preview. As you can see, our results are displayed in Ansys Mechanical. Let's add a table to our results. In order to do so, please right-click on a check and click Table. We are going to use the Expand type of table under the same loading. As you can see, here we have every section which was recognized and an information whether it passed a check or not. That would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more. In case you need help with your engineering projects, feel free to contact us.